Okay, so we're going to talk about how we figure how much a patient pays of an office visit and how much the insurance is responsible for based off of the type of insurance that they have and what's in their policy. So one of the ways that we do this is sometimes there will be an agreement with an insurance carrier in the office to provide a discount to its patients. So let's say we have a patient that comes into the office and they have a plan that says that they're going to get a 15% discount off of what the physician's charges are going to be for those particular visits. And let's say they have a copay of just a straight $10. So that's a little bit different than another way to look at it. So we've got a discount of 15%, and then the patient's going to pay a flat $10 copay. So when we do copays, those are charged at the time of the visit, and depending upon where the patient's deductibles are or what else is in their contract is going to determine how much they're going to do. So let's say the patient comes in today and the charges are $550. Well, the first thing we have to figure out before we figure out how much the patient's going to pay and what the insurance is going to pay is what the true charges are. And we're going to figure that by taking the discount first. We always take our discount first, and then we determine how much of that portion is the insurance's and how much is the patient's. So to figure out what the adjusted charges are, I take my $550 and I'm going to multiply that by 15%. And when I do that, that gives me $82.50. That's my discount. So now to figure what my adjusted charges are, I'm going to take my $550 and subtract $82.50 from that, and that is going to give me $467.50. Now that said, how much is the patient going to pay? Well, the patient's only going to pay their $10 copay. That's it. So now what's left of that is the portion that the insurance is going to pay, which is the $467.50 minus the 10, which is going to give us $457.50. So that's the way to figure it out if the patient has strictly just a copay.